Several clinics and experts are warning pet owners about the rise in canine influenza across North Carolina.
Yeah, this comes as some vet clinics are facing staffing challenges that may lead to longer wait times for appointments. CBS 17's Mariah Ellis is live with a few friends over there after talking with the pet owners. And Mariah, what have you been able to learn about that? Have the dogs given you a chance to learn anything? We see them out there playing with you.
Oh, yeah, they've been way too fun out here. We have dogs like even Potatoes sitting beside us. We've been hearing about these cases popping up in places like Durham and Moore counties. And even out here in Raleigh, folks are still taking extra precautions.
2 to 3 times a week.
You need a bath? What's in your nose?
Taylor Smith takes her dog Pluto to play with his 4-legged friends at Oakwood Dog Park in Raleigh. Smith says her dog recently became sick after visiting an animal daycare in Raleigh, and it's the reason why she booked an appointment with her veterinarian.
They are booked. They do get booked. I just kind of do it as much in advance as possible.
It comes as the North Carolina Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services reports a recent surge of canine influenza cases.
Last year, I remember there was rumors of it going around, and so we didn't go to dog parks during that time.
Who's that big boy?
Dr. Jessica Taylor, the Vice President of Veterinary Medicine for Pet Folk, says it's not uncommon to see these outbreaks in shelters and boarding facilities, especially as more people start to travel.
A lot of times it is associated with a recent vacation type period. So with spring break just having happened, we are starting to see a few more cases.
Dr. Taylor is not only urging pet owners to get their pets vaccines, but to also call early. She says several veterinary clinics are feeling the pressure and challenges of staffing shortages, often leaving patients having to wait longer for an appointment or even having to reschedule.
We are experiencing some challenges with that in certain locations, which means that we may not be able to see the same number of pets that we would if we had a fully staffed hospital.
And now we're here with Guinness right now, who wanted to join us. But really, our veterinarians are saying if you notice some of your dogs having some of these symptoms, a cough, a fever, even some discharge, you want to just make sure you're paying attention to that. And of course, if there is an emergency situation, you could always reach out to some of our clinics. They do have some emergency services as well. Live in Raleigh with our fellow friends here, Mariah Ellis, CBS 17 News.
Yeah, very important advice, Mariah, and a great day to be at the dog park. Thank you so much.
I feel like Mariah's going to go home with the dog before the day's over.
She might.
All right.